Hi guys, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Just a quick video for you. This is a nice cherry drop style clock. Has a West Germany movement. On the back it is signed with initials by the gentleman who made it. And it has initials plus the year 1970. Working good. It's been working for several days here. It has the double winding movement, so it does chime on the half hour and on the hour. So this is in our online June the 11th, 2024 auction, KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. Just wanted to show you a video that it is running. So anytime you move the time, you want to do it very slow. There is the single chime on the half hour. And then it does chime on the hour. Here we go. All right, and there you go. Again, this sells online on our June 11th, 2024 auction, KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. Thank you for viewing.